In this video, I'm going to talk about what is as-is condition. So both seller and buyer, they can choose to sell or purchase the property with as-is condition. For seller, if they don't have time and they don't have money to do the repair of their current home, they will mark in the listing sheet. They will sell the house as is condition to tell the buyer, if you are interested in my house, I'm not going to spend a lot of money to do the repair. As a buyer, if the housing market is in a normal market, we don't usually need to purchase as is condition. But if the market is in a very competitive situation, then the buyer may consider add as is condition. I don't usually recommend my buyer to add as is condition, but I will let them know they have this option. The reason is because there is always something of a house need to be repaired. No matter it's a little issue or a big issue, we won't know until we finish the inspection. As a buyer, even you want to purchase the house with as-is condition, you still have the right to conduct the inspection. After inspection, you will find out all the issue of the house, and then you still have the right to move forward or you decide to terminate this transaction. If you have questions about as-is condition, comment below or DM me. I will see you next time.